This week we're back. Yes, we're in Glanmire. We've brought this home from a C1 right up to an A2 rated home. We've built on 2 extensions and the main house got a full renovation. It's the contrast between the original red brick and the new sharp extension is really what brings so much energy to this home. And this extension has been very cleverly designed for inside, but also to maximize your garden on the outside. Once we come to the back of this home, the hard work, the design, it all comes together. The features, the patio is really what gives this home the wow factor. And the big thing, which is the most important, is the connection to the garden. This home originally was missing one major key feature, and this extension answers that question. Now this is what we're talking about, a big spacious utility room, natural light, a working sink, and to top it off, we've got a big spacious boot room. It's this easy link between the utility and the kitchen that gives you that beautiful flow. This kitchen has got some amazing design features. We've got red brick, we've got a bespoke coffee station, we've got an industrial concrete style kitchen, we've got fabulous worktops, but to finish it all off, we've got a breakfast bar bifolding window. Once this window fully opens up, suddenly your indoor kitchen has just become your outdoor kitchen. All this space can now be used for our dining into our movie room. And it's all these combined is what really make it that intimate space. Now, this leads us back into the hallway. This room is going to be for a downstairs bedroom. And this is our new location for a downstairs bathroom. After heavy construction work, upstairs is now completed. We've got 2 double bed bedrooms, and right in the center, the heart of the home, you've got this beautiful bespoke bathroom. Designing and building new homes, handing over every week is something that will never get old. To our homeowners, thank you so much for choosing Sigma Homes. To the team, well done guys. It's another project finished on schedule.